Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Today I will show how to delete a schema in MySQL Workbench safely. Open MySQL Workbench and connect to your server using a saved connection. Confirm you are connected to the correct host and user account. Back up the schema first using data export or MySQL to a SQL file. Verify the backup file size and the tables exported before proceeding. Remember, deletion is irreversible unless you have a working backup available. If unsure, test the restore on a local instance first. Click the Schemas panel on the left to list all available databases. Right-click the schema name you want to delete and choose Drop Schema from the menu. A confirmation dialog appears showing objects to be dropped and any dependent objects. Type the schema name exactly to confirm deletion when prompted by the dialog. Click Drop Now or apply to run the drop database commands on the server. Watch the action output panel for success messages and any error text returned. You can also delete a schema by running SQL drop database in the SQL editor. Paste the command and execute the statement with the lightning bolt or Control+Enter shortcut. For scripted or remote work, use MySQL databases to export and MySQL client to drop. If a drop fails due to foreign keys, drop child tables first or disable foreign key checks. To recover, restore the SQL backup using data import or MySQL backup. SQL.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.